Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how basically you can export JPG and PNG images to PDF document using FPDF library. FPDF basically it's a PHP class. You can even use it as a Python module as well. So we are using this FPDF library for Python PDF processing to basically convert all these images that you see right here. This is JPG image. This is PNG image right here. JFFIF image is also there. So inside this directory, we have 4 images. We will basically convert this into a PDF document using this Python script. So now if I basically execute this Python script, guys, by writing Python app.py, you will see that it will process all these images, 3 images, and now it has created that output PDF file. If I check, this is the first image. The second image, it basically takes all the space of the image. So that's why you see this image like this. This is the third image, second image, first image. So really good application, and this is basically the Python script. The link is given in the description of the video. If you just want to get it, you can get it. Now let me show you how to build this application. So first of all, you need to install FPDF module. I've already installed it, and also you need Pillow, PILLOW. I've already installed it. So what we will say, guys, basically, let me zoom in. So we will say that from FPDF library, we need to import FPDF. This is basically the module that we will require. After that, from the Pillow library, we need the image module, and also we need the operating system module as well. So after this, guys, we will basically create a new instance of FPDF, and we will be creating a image list which will be a empty array by default. And here inside this, guys, after this, what we'll say, we will provide a folder in which all your images are present. So we have successfully created a folder here, images. Our images are present, and then we will give the output file name. You can give any output file name or output PDF. And after this, guys, we will basically loop through all the images which are present inside this directory. We will like this file names in operating system, work folder, and basically, guys, what it will do, it will basically copy all this path here. It will get all the path and append this inside this empty array image list. You can see it's an empty array right here, and we are using a simple for loop. It will basically append this inside the image list. After this, guys, what we need to do is that what we need to do, we need to say that image list dot sort. We will sort this, and once again, guys, what we need to do, for multiple, we need to basically create an extension here which we will say that dot jpg. So here you can mention multiple extensions that you want. Dot jpg, uh, just close it, and then this will be dot png, and you can even mention jfif. All these extensions images will be exported. So now we can use a simple method here inside ends with. We can use tuple, and here we can pass this extension. That's all. So after this, we can simply sort this, and then we can simply say uh, we can print out the images. We can simply use a simple for loop, and that's all. So after this, guys, uh, now to basically add these images, we will simply say here for image in image list, we will say pdf add underscore page, and then we will add the page, and then we will add this image, add these coordinates. So let's suppose 2110.297, and then, guys, we will say pdf output. We will put the folder name, and then we will simply append the file name and say f. So we will the write, and then we can print out a message that PDF generated successfully. This is just a Python script, guys, and now if I basically delete this and try to run this script, Python app.py, so it is saying that invalid syntax for directory names. Let me see, guys, what is the problem here. Just wait. Extensions. Uh, just wait, guys. Let me just do that. Some error can take place. Let me just paste that previous code here. This is the correct code. You can see that, guys. This is the correct code. So basically we have this extension. So the link is given in the description, guys, if you have any sort of problem. So now once again, if I basically, let me just delete this code here. This I will show you later on what this code is doing. So now if I basically python app.py, so it will process one by one these images, and you can see that it has created that. This is the first image, second image, third image. So JPG, PNG, all these images are included. If you want to include JFFI image, you can even include this directory also. Just put this directory here, JFIF. So if you put this directory also, sorry, extension. So I think, yeah, unsupported image types. So these images are not supported. So just close this. And now, guys, I will basically show you if you want to rotate any of the images, if you have a landscape photo, if you want to rotate that with any angle, you can do that. We can basically add this code after we do like this. Simply you need to paste this code. The link is given in the description. So what it is doing, it is basically rotating these images in a 270-degree angle if the height is larger than the width. So now what will happen? So in these cases, the image size is, you can see that now the images are there. So this was a tutorial, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next one.